quick video that I put together on how to remove the hubs to inspect the brakes on a Dexter Nev-R-Lube axle. So we're going to remove the wheel here. After we get the wheel off, we'll take the dust cover off. When you do take the dust cover off, use a chisel or a screwdriver and just tap out on the dust cover instead of down. When you tap out, it'll pop right off. If you tap down, it'll just smash the dust cover. Remove the small snap ring. When you get the small snap ring removed, remove the castle nut, and the castle nut comes off hard, much easier with the impact wrench than trying to do it with a breaker bar or a ratchet. Remove the large flat washer. You're ready to take the large snap ring out. This one is tough. I would suggest snap ring pliers that squeeze together when you squeeze, and which is the opposite way of the way these snap ring pliers work. You can see it took 3 hands. Go ahead and pull the hub off. Not much dust there. You can get the part numbers for the cartridge bearings off this. The brakes were really in great shape. I cleaned them off with brake cleaner, inspected the magnets, looked at the pivot points. Everything was in good shape. Everything moved the way it was supposed to, and I didn't have to replace any parts or anything. We'll clean it up here. Hub just slips right back on. There's really nothing difficult about it. So to put everything back together, we just do the reverse of taking it apart. We'll put the large snap ring in, and as you can see, it takes 3 hands to put it back in. It's really a strong snap ring. Make sure the snap ring is seated correctly in the slot. I just like to tap it with a screwdriver and a hammer just to make sure that it's all the way in. Put the washer and the castle nut back on. Run the castle nut in just to contact with an impact wrench. And we're going to torque it to 155 foot-pounds. Put the small snap ring back on. that's on, we'll put Dexter's placard that tells you how much to torque the castle nut. Just get the dust cover lined up correctly and it'll go right on. Just tap it a few times around the perimeter. It'll go in and you'll hear it ping different when it's seated all the way around, and you'll know it's on. Put the wheel back on. Just take the lug nuts to snug with the air wrench. Don't try to tighten them with the air wrench, tighten them with the torque wrench. Torque them to the proper torque spec, and you're done.